Hello all, welcome back to our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about intelligent vehicle damage assessment and cost estimator insurance. Here I'll explain you abstract now. The project focuses on developing an intelligent vehicle damage assessment and a cost estimation system that utilizes advanced technologies in computer vision and deep learning to improve the efficiency of insurance claim processing. It addresses the challenges of accurately classifying and detecting vehicle damage after accidents, which can vary greatly due to the diverse type and size of vehicle and complexity of accident scenarios. By employing deep convolutional neural networks, that is CNN, particularly through transferring learn with the mobile net architecture, the system aims to automate the identification of vehicle damage from the image task at the accident scenes. This is only streamlines the handling of insurance disputes, also save time and money for both insurance and drivers. So we have used here convolutional neural network and artificial intelligence. By using this, we could classify our vehicle damage based on the scenes. I'll explain introduction now. The insurance industry is at forefront of embracing innovation, advanced technologies, and artificial intelligence to enhance its operations and address press challenges. With the increasing number of car accidents, car insurance companies are incurring significant financial losses due to fraudulent claims. With the millions of dollars spent annually in an attempt to combat this issue, the AI, particularly through the use of machine learning and deep learning, has the potential to revolutionize the insurance sector by improving data analysis and processing, detecting fraud, reducing risk, and automating claim management. There is a pressing need for insurance company to expedite the damage assessment and claims settlement progress. Developing effective application that leverage deep learning for damage assessment can be resource intensive, requiring large data set and extended computational time. By and then by addressing By addressing these complexity through innovation approaches like AI-driven damage assessment, the insurance industry can significantly improve the ability to manage claims effectively and enhance overall road safety. Now, I'll explain the problem statement. Here, our problem statement is vehicle plays a crucial role in people's daily life. However, accurate assessing their condition after accidents can be complex due to the vast diversity of vehicle damages and its size and its material. The challenging is distinguishing and detecting the specific condition surrounding a vehicle make it difficult for insurance companies to effectively handle claims. Here, our objective is the primary objective of this project is to predict whether a car has been involved in an accident and estimate the associated repair cost for insurance claims. Our main goal is to automate assessments, accuracy, and then cost estimation, speed, data analysis, and integration. Furthermore, I will explain in the project in the code. I will explain. We will have a I will show you the code. This is a data set here. This was our data set. And total we have 9 classes here. Now I'll show you the training code. It is our training code. We have used CNN model here. We have used CNN model. This is the full architecture. After this, you have a full model will be turned to your train tensors and train targets. It is nothing but that's what your data set here. A train targets and this all only. These are turned into tensors. That's what will be given to your model. You can see it's not. Your train files will be turned into tensors, uh, and then your train tensor and test tensors will be evaluated here. And then after this whole part of it, your accuracy will filter, precision score, effort score, recall score will filter. And here you can see the pharmacy curve of your model. Now I will show you the testing code. Yeah, here's a testing code. In classification part, we have implemented our model, which was trained on training data. This was the trained model, which was trained in training data. I have created a GUI here. I will run this program, and then I show the output. Yeah, this is the GUI. Now I'll browse input, any input I'll browse. A data set inside is here. I will do classification. The car is 15 years old. Yeah, this car is 15 years old. And the damage is side severe. And the insurance amount is about 50,000. Yeah, that's what. I will use some other input. Front mirror, front minor classification. The car is 15 years old. No, it's false. The damage is front minor. And the insurance information is 10,000. Yeah. Uh, Thank you for watching our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. For more interesting Python videos, you can follow YouTube channel and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.